When I press the canister, the spray is not working because it is blocked. In order to unblock, remove the canister by pulling it out and then put it aside. Now take a plastic box and then put in the actuator into the plastic box and then pump in some dish detergent into the container and then turn on the hot water tap and let it run until it is warm enough. Make sure water pressure is high and then fill up the container. It should then automatically foam. Then close the lid of the plastic container and then shake it well so that the foam would become stronger and that it could penetrate into the nozzle that's blocked. Now leave the container to do its job. 3-4 hours later, take back the container, shake it again, and then open the lid, take out the inhaler, and then empty the dirty water, and then wash it with the warm water so that all the dish detergents are washed away. And then finally, put your plastic inhaler on a dish rack for it to dry. And once it's fully dried, insert back in the canister. And now when you press down, you could see the spray is working and now it is fully unblocked. Remember to shake well before use.